Hello student, welcome to your online classes. So once again I welcome to you. So in this video we will see about the degree of comparison, correct use of adjective and exercises. So previous video already explained you what is the adjective, formation of adjectives, okay, and I explained you so many things on there. So this is the second video about your chapter adjective. So we will discuss it. So without wasting our time, let's get started.
So, in previous video, already explained you about the adjectives, kinds of adjectives. So, once again, we revise it. What is the adjective? Words that are used to describe noun or pronoun are called adjectives. You can see the example here. Madhu has short hair. Vinod has bought a new motor bicycle. So, in this above example, short and new are adjective because qualify the noun. Okay. So noun kinds of adjective we can see here: quality, demonstrative, number, in number, ordinal and cardinal, distributive and possessive, and interrogative and quantity. So these are the details which one I already explained you, and we discuss about the some kinds of adjective, proper adjective, emphasizing adjective, and formation of adjective also you can see here. Already I explained you this on the previous video, but just for reminder, I just telling to you. I hope you clear this till here. So this video now today is about the degree of comparison. I hope degree of comparison you know in previous class also, but for your knowledge also, I again revise you. Degree of comparison, 3 are there: positive, comparative, and superlative. So positive degree form adjective that you simply mention the quality of someone or something. Like Rohan's sister is very sweet. Okay, this blanket is very warm, and that girl is very hardworking, etc. So this is the positive sense. Okay. Now when we have comparative degree, it is the form of adjective that denotes a higher degree of quality and compare two things which have more or less same quality, heavier, more interesting, etc. Like Rohan's sister is sweet than Mohan's sister. So we are compare to the people, set two things. Okay. In superlative degree is the form of the adjective that denote the highest degree of any quality. Suppose Rita is the tallest girl in her class. So tallest, tall is a positive degree, taller is a comparative degree, and tallest is a superlative degree, means no comparison. So these are the degrees you can see here. You read it. Irregular adjective, there are some adjectives whose comparative and superlative degree are not formed from their positive degree. They are called irregular, like good, better, best, many, more, most. Many adjectives of more or sibus are compared by use more and most, like active. Active or activist, we not write it. We write more active, most active, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Now we are see the correct use of adjective. So some correct use of adjective it is given 8 are there till here. Okay, you can see. So first discuss this one, correct use of adjective. So some, any. Some is used affirmative sentence, any is used in negative sentence. When you see the rules, according to the grammatical rules and in the book, so our some and any uses according to the sentence is used in affirmative sentence, any is used in negative sentence. But when we say some or any, some word we use to show in positive sense. Okay, when your sentence showing to sense, not your sentence. Sentence also we can say, but sometimes our positive sentence showing negative and negative answer showing positive. So we can say any or some we use according to the sentence sense, not sentence. Like some words we use to show positive sense. बशर्ते वो sentence positive हो या negative, doesn't matter. Okay. Similarly, the any also negative, but in not sentence, it's sense. Understood? I hope this both one. So both sentences are correct, but we some affirmative answers accepted any, and if a negative sentence is accepted that one. So I hope you clear this some and any. In according to your rules, some and any is according to sentence, but when we are talking, so some we use to show positive sense, yeah, positive a negative sense. Okay, so I hope you clearly say like she's beautiful. So sentence positive. Mainly we can say she's not ugly. So means we say she not ugly. So it means she is not ugly means she is beautiful. Okay, this sense that telling about is not negative sense. Okay, so some use in positive case, any use in negative case, but some rules is cross it. Okay, we not say ki this one rule is correct. Sometimes the rules is different from the book rules. Okay, so always remember some and any whenever you find out. So first of all, you see the sense. Okay, not sentence. What the sentence saying? In which sense it's saying? Okay, so I hope you clear this. Now we're talking about the second one, much, many. So much means a large quantity of. It is used with uncountable nouns like much milk, much sparrow. Because much is uncountable. Why? Because no, we can't. So it's called uncountable. Many means a large number of. It is a use with the plural of countable nouns like many chairs, many ears, like this. Third one, little, few, little. Little is used with uncountable noun. Few is used with countable nouns. You can see the example here. Little, a little, the little. So little, first of all, little means is at least some. Okay, na ke barabar you can say. A little means little bit. It is something is there. But the little means lot of quantity of that. Suppose I will show you one glass of water. It's empty. Not empty, little bit something is there. Some drop you can say. So we can use a little water in the jar. A little means half water. A little water. Yeah, a little toffees like that. You can see the example. A little, at least some. Okay. Almost none, little is almost a negative adjective. Means na ke barabar. Okay. I have little money. I cannot buy a jar of toffees with it. Means I have money, but very less money. Okay. And I have a little money. I can afford to buy a jar of toffees with it. So a little hai, so we can use means I have money, so I can buy it because I lit a little money. I bought a jar of toffee with the little money I had. Means I have brought a full jar because I have money, entire money I have. That's why I buy it. So I hope you understand this. Few, a few, the few, the same. Okay, like few means is not nothing. A few means something is there, and the few means are of them throw very few one. Sometimes few friends visit me, and we have a nice time. The few friends who visit me live far, far. Elder, eldest, older, oldest, eldest. These are the I will tell you in detail. We see here. So, sixth one, elder, eldest, older, oldest. So, elder and eldest are used only for person, not for animals or things. And how now confined to member of the same family. Elder is not used with then. Older and oldest are used for both person and things. So first of all, I want to tell you and very clear you that elder used or Eldest is used to human beings, those having blood relationship. Older not used with those who have no blood relation. So those who have blood relationship, so we use elder. Eldest is used with human beings, those who having blood relation. Okay. Older is used for human beings not having a blood relationship with and older we can use any animal, things, object, monuments. Okay. But older is used with human also, but those who have no blood relationship. Clear all of you? So I hope you clear it. Jैसे John is my elder brother. Kirti is the eldest girl in the class. Vivek is my eldest brother. He is older than his sister. This is the oldest temple in Kolkata. So I hope you understand that difference between elder and older. Now look at the seventh one, letter latest. Okay. So this one we shall go into the hills in the later party of July. What is the latest news? Tim and Anand entered the finals. The latter is better player. He's preferred to sit on the last bench. So late we use with the negative sense and latest we use in positive sense. Okay, all things just according to time. Late in term of time and देरी से, late in term of time for कुछ देरी से. Like later we can use say little bit later, see you later. So we use later for time. I hope you understand this. So this nearest, nearest denote the distance, next denote the position. Suppose who lives nearest to the school means it is far distance to us. Her house is next of mine. Suppose you have a colony, so 1, 2, 3 like the numbers houses are there. So anyone has come and said who's the next in your house? Next means like 1, 2, 3. Understood? So I hope you clear all these things. What is that? And I hope you clear, you understood also. So now look at this comparative ending in O, R. Like senior, junior, inferior and superior are adjective ending in or. These adjectives followed by to and not by then. Like senior, junior, we are when are comparative compared to someone, then we use only to, not then. Why? We will see here. We are using to here because this senior, junior, this all the comparative words, and this is the Latin words. Okay, it is a Latin words in English, original one. Latin form to use in English. Then when we are using the Latin language, your words, then you use the to. Senior, junior, this one. Latin words have a suppose you have written he is a better than Mia I. Rohan is inferior to Shivam Rohan is inferior to Shivam and intelligence. So the death of the King Edward VII was prior to World War I. My boss is senior to me. So these are the Latin words. So that's why we are using to with them.